how would you describe the difference between corporate trainer and an instructional designer? Sometimes I feel like I am both roles.
Well, I would say it is 2 different roles, and you could be in a role where you are doing both. So, the instructional designer is on the back end creating the learning experience, and then the training facilitator is on the front end delivering that learning experience to learners in a live setting, whether that's virtual or in person. So, it is very possible that you are doing both, and it wouldn't be shocking to hear that you are. A lot of L&D roles are really, you know, require us to wear a lot of different hats, instructional designer, e-learning developer, project manager, you know, interviewer, training facilitator, LMS administrator, marketer for this new learning experience. So it is very, very possible that you are wearing 2 hats. If you're facilitating and you're designing and building that learning experience, then you are most definitely doing both.
Is that something you feel like IDs just sort of stumble into? They end up wearing multiple hats, even though that wasn't the initial intention.
Well, you can oftentimes tell from the job posting what the expectations are. So, and many times it will tell you you'll do some facilitating, you'll lead training sessions, you'll do walkthroughs. So, I mean, a lot of times you'll get clues about what that is. But again, like back to your earlier question, Gil, about me building my network, and like really like building
Right.
a reputation for myself. That's because even if it wasn't in my job description, I was like, "I can do it. Let me try it. I'll do it."
Right.
So you may volunteer to do things that people don't really expect you to do. But yeah, I would say that an instructional design role is one that wears a lot of different hats.